Hello dear students, welcome to financial accounting classes for beginners. Today also we'll see double column cash book. Double column or two column cash book. In the previous problem I taught you simple problem. In the same passion some more new adjustments. With new adjustments we'll work out this problem so that you will become perfect in this preparation of double column cash book. Okay. So shall we enter into the problem? Yes, get inside. So the first one is that here few transactions I have taken. Each and every transaction will just simply post it into the double column cash book. If it is a receipt, debit side. If it is a payment, credit side. I forgot to write the headings. So debit side, what do we get? Date, particulars, R number, receipt number, LF, amount, discount and amount. In the same way credit side also. Date, particulars, receipt number, here voucher number, V number, their receipt number, voucher number, V number, LF, discount and amount, or you can say cash also, anything. So now enter into the problem. First transaction is given 2008 January 1st, cash in hand 8,900. We have this much of balance, so we'll write it in the debit side. So 2008 January 1st, to balance brought down, means we are having this much of balance 8,900 over. Next after that on 3rd, bought goods for cash, purchased goods for cash. Whenever you are purchasing, it's a payment. Just simply receipt, debit side, payment, credit side. Purchasing means it's a payment. Payments will be on the credit side. So this is on 3rd, January 3rd, by purchases. Bought goods for cash 4,300 over. Next, paid for wages 4,100. Paid for wages, it's a payment. All the payments will be on the credit side. So 5th, by wages, amount 4,100. Next after that, withdrew from bank for personal expenses. Withdrew for personal expenses means we would have written by drawings. It is simply expenses, means office expenses. Whenever for office expenses you are drawing anything, it's coming inside of the business. So we'll write it on the debit side. Please remember, if it is personal expenses, by drawings you'll write. If they don't mention personal, it will be on the debit side, means we are getting inside of the business, inside of the organization. So we'll write it on the debit side if personal expenses are not mentioned. Now here, are you finding personal expenses? No. So we are withdrawing from the bank, means from bank we are getting amount, that's on 7th, to bank. Amount is 7,500. Then after that, 8th, cash paid to Yusuf 1950 and discount allowed 50. Cash paid. Payments, all payments will be on the credit side. Paid to Yusuf. So we'll take Yusuf, on 8th, by Yusuf, paid to him 1950 and discount allowed 50 rupees. Simply discount column will write. Discount allowed to him 50 rupees. Next, cash sales. Cash sales. Sales means it's a receipt. All the receipts will be on the debit side. So sales, will write it on the debit side. It's on 10th. To sales 13,500. Next, 13th, received from Lal 3,900. Receiving from Lal 3,900, discount allowed 100. Received from Lal means it's a receipt. Receipts will be on the debit side. So we'll write 13th From where we are receiving? Receiving from Lal. So to Lal, 3,900. Discount is 100 rupees. We are receiving this much of amount and discount is here 100 rupees. Next 15th, purchase stationery on credit. This is cash book. We take only cash transactions. Purchased stationery for credit. Credit we don't take. This is a cash book. So we'll ignore this transaction. We don't touch it because it's a credit transaction. Next one, paid for postage 150. Paid for postage 150. Postage payment means it's a payment. Credit side it comes. So this is on 16th. By postage 150. Next 18th, amount introduced as capital. We got some more amount which is introduced as capital, means receiving in the form of capital. All the receipts debit side. So we'll write this also on the debit side, amount introduced as capital. So that's on 18th. To capital 5,000. Next, received cash from Carnatic. From Carnatic we are receiving this much of amount, allowed discount of 160. Receiving debit side. Receiving from Carnatic. So it's on the debit side 21st. To Carnatic. From Carnatic we are receiving 7,840 and allowed him discount 160. Next one, paid for cash. Paid cash for traveling. For traveling expenses purpose we are paying 120. Payment credit side. So we will write by traveling. It's on 24th. By traveling expenses you can say 120. Next, amount paid into bank. We are paying into bank, it's a payment. So we'll write credit side by bank. It's on 26th. How much? 2,500. Then after that, cash paid to Mukesh 975, discount allowed 25. Cash paid to Mukesh, payment to Mukesh, all the payments credit side. So we'll take it on the credit side 27th by Mukesh 975. Discount allowed 25. Next, credit purchases from Ali 3,800. Credit purchases. This is cash book. Credit transactions we don't write. Credit sales, credit purchases, and previous also on credit basis stationery purchase, anything credit we don't enter. So this is credit purchases we don't consider because it's a cash book. Credit transactions comes into the other subsidiary books, so we don't consider. So next one, cash purchases 30th. Cash purchase. Purchases means it's a expenses, payment, credit side comes. Cash purchases 30th by purchases. Cash purchases 1,500. Next, paid salaries. Paid salaries, payment, credit side by salaries 30th only. Salaries 2,800. Last one, deposited into bank all cash excess of 2,000. depositing all the cash excess of 2000. The amount which is more than 2000 is to be deposited into the bank. Means we wanted to carry down 2000 rupees only. Means carry down amount is given. This is carry down amount. We'll write that carry down amount first. So what do we do? Here we'll keep a gap. This is January, no? So last date is 31st January. 31st January by balance carry down. Balance carry down is here 2000. In between we'll write amount, whatever amount balancing figure we get, that will be transferred to the bank. Now first what do we do first? We'll total up this. Did you understand this 2000? How do we got? As per this, deposited into bank all cash excess of 2000 only, will keep it with us for transferring to the next month. Carried on amount is 2000. Rest of the amount transfer it into the bank. So 2000 kept it as a balance carry down. And in between we'll get a transaction, the amount which is going to deposit into the bank. That we'll see right now. First what we'll do, we'll total up this to get the balancing figure. To total up, we'll write the discount as it is 260, and here it is 75. This total will see 8,900 plus 7,500, 8,900 plus 7,500 plus 13,500 plus 3,900 plus 5,000 plus 7,840. This is 46,640. 46,640. We'll write the same amount here, 46,640. 2000 already we kept it as a carried on amount. Now whatever you get the balancing figure, means 46,640 minus all this transaction, the balancing figure you are going to transfer it into the bank when end of the month. So I kept a gap here already. There I am writing by bank. In brackets, balancing figure. How much I get? Let me check it out. 46,640 minus all this. 46,640 minus 4,300 minus 4,100 minus 1950 minus 150, 270 I'll take. 270 minus 2,500 minus 975 minus 1,500 minus 2,800 minus 2,000. It comes 26,245. 26,245. So this is the balancing figure. Balancing figure, what we are doing? We are transferring to the next month, transferring into the bank. So that is why I have written bank. Balancing figure 26,240. Only this transaction you must be very, very careful. The rest of the problem is clear. This one and also credit transactions. Credit purchases, credit sales. Any credit transaction we don't consider into the cash book. Either single column, double column, triple column, whatever it may be, we don't consider credit transactions. And be careful about this. Anything excess about 2,000 is to be deposited into the bank. 2,000 above means 2,000 is the carried on amount. Write that carried on amount. This total is 46,640, this total. Out of this, if you deduct all these, including this one, if you deduct all these things, you will be getting 26,245. This is to be transferred to the bank, means depositing into the bank. When you are depositing, it's a payment. So I have written by bank 26,245. It's a balancing figure. And now balance carried on is here 2,000 already decided. The same amount will transfer it to the next month. So that's on February 1st. To balance brought down 2,000. Only 2,000 only we are transferring. Balancing amount already deposited into the bank. This you have to remember. And another thing, please remember, whenever you total up this discount column, total amount as it is you write. This need not to tally, this need not to transfer. Okay, you can note down the problem or take a screenshot. Hope with this problem you are perfect in double column cash book. Whatever may be the problem is given to you, you can work out. 2 problems we have done. Take your test book. Without looking at the solution, you work out the problem. If any exercises are given, that also you work out and check it out. You will feel very confident. Forever in your life, you will never forget this concept. So easy. Only if you understand this logic, that's all. So please go to the description box for more videos, more subjects, more concepts. Description box playlists are given, or directly you can go to the channel and check out the playlist. Very important thing I want to tell you, please follow accounts, especially practical accounts videos in the desktop computer or laptop computer. It would be much easy for you to see the board, and also concept also gets inside of your mind very quickly. So please use it if you have desktop or laptop computer. Now with another topic, that's 3 column cash book. Soon I'm going to meet you. So till that period, keep practicing, my dear students. I'm with you, don't worry. Take care, good luck.